जल्दी as possible. Yes. What is the answer for coefficient of correlation in case of your as far as concerned with direct method based on value? Anyone? Yes, anyone? What is the value of R here? Hello?
Sir, solving.
Okay, let's solve from my side also. First one is 100. If you calculate the next one, in that case, what is the value of second row?
441.
441.
441. Next one is
225.
5.
the next one is
276.
5.
yes
576. 576.
576. Next one
289.
289.
289. Moving to the next in case of x. First one is 16. The next is 4. The next one is 64. Next one 49. Last one is 100. So then after you multiply the x into y, that means first one is 40. Next one is how much?
42.
42. Next one 15 into 8.
120.
The next is 24 into 7.
168.
168. And the last one 17 into 10, that is 170. Okay. First you have to calculate summation of x. What is the value of summation x here?
87.
87.
87. And summation of x square?
161.
1631. And in case of summation of y?
233.
31, sir.
31, sir.
Okay. In case of summation of y square?
233.
In case of summation of xy?
540.
540. So you got all the value. And
Sir,
what is the value of R here?
sir, minus 0.23 मेरा आया.
Minus 0.23. Let's check who have finished this one. Yes. Sambit Sasha Mishra, what do you mean by is it correct?
सर गलत हो गया तो प्रोसेस में गया तो
Is the PPT is visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's solve this one.
Sir, answer 0.008, sir.
Okay, let's check.
सर वो जो XY सेकंड में 42 लिखा है वो 84 होगा.
Which one? X into 2.
Sorry.
Okay, okay. In case of R, first calculate the upper part, X into, this is, just a minute, X into, summation of XY is 540 minus summation of X is 87 into your 31. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then after you proceed to calculate the first part, that is square of 5 into, it is difficult to write the square, I just write the square of 5 into, how much? Summation of x square is 1631
C1.
minus, that is, next one is
87 square.
87 square. Just simply write 87 into 87. In that case, if you multiply with 87 into, sorry, if that case, if you go to the square of, just a minute,
7569.
7569, first part. Then next part is square of, multiply with square of, the first one is how much? 5 into, that is
233.
233 square. The next is minus summation of EY, that is 31 into 31. So what is the answer? Square of 5 into 230.
1165.
Okay, I write in case of R equals to the upper part. What is the value of upper part? 5 into 540 minus 8 into 31.
3.
3.
3, sir.
3. 3 divided by square root of summation of n into x square minus s square. What is the value of first part?
8155.
4.20.
8155. I am telling about square root of n. Yes.
24.20.
20
Sir, 24.20.
24.20 into this much.
14.28.
14.28.
14.28. Okay. So if you go to the multiplication point of view, that is 24. Just a minute. If you multiply with this is 24.020 into 14.28. That equals to
5.57.
345.57. I just write here again. That is 3 divided by 345.576. The next is 3 divided by, if you go to the last part, 345.576. That equals to how much?
0.0086.
0.008.
0.0008. Yes. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the coefficient of correlation? It is positive correlation or negative correlation, or it is no correlation? What is the comment on this particular examples? Anyone?
Perfect positive correlation.
Exactly. It is just note down. It is a perfect positive correlation. I just write here in case of comment. It is a perfect positive correlation. Is it clear to all?
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Okay, let's start the surprise test, clear, without wasting time, because we are facing some network issues. I just write the questions here. It is your duty, you have to submit on WhatsApp, clear?
सर आपने बोला था 6 फरवरी को लेंगे
6 को लेंगे बोले थे
6 के नहीं, सेकेंड को बोला था। हेलो,
नहीं सर 6 को बोले थे।
तो मूड चेंज हो गया, एक्चुअली आज लेना है, ठीक है? So I just write some numericals and that belongs to 5 marks, clear? You have to write down the answer and take a snap and send to my WhatsApp numbers.
ओके सर।
सर
Don't worry.
पर्सनली सेंड करना है या फिर ग्रुप में सेंड करना है
Group में share करना है. In the bottom of your snap, you have to write your name, clear?
ओके सर
So I just write here. The question is only there is 3 number of question is this. In case of these questions,
सर अभी सेंड करना है।
हाँ अभी question number 1, just note down. And the standard deviation of so you don't focus on question, try to solve that one as early as possible, clear? I just write only 2 number of questions, oh sorry, 3 number of questions. Who use the bathroom? Of more number of noise will be appear.
रिज्यूम में नहीं है क्या क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में?
Find the standard deviation. Question number 1 belongs to find the standard deviation. Just note down. चला
क्वेश्चन चेंज करा।
क्वेश्चन चेंज नहीं हो रहा है, क्वेश्चन आई जस्ट टाइप द क्वेश्चंस, ओके? क्वेश्चन चेंज नहीं हुआ है, उसके ऊपर टाइप हो रहा है. इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू टाइप द टेबल्स, क्लियर? Just mute your microphone.
सर वो जो 4/11 मतलब 4 to 11
नहीं है, 4/11 है उसका वैल्यू.
सर 4/11
Sir, 4/11 means a 4 stands for X series and
No. The value is given 4/11.
sir X series में 4/11 रहेगा.
नहीं, खाली दिया हुआ है, एक सीरीज का नहीं हुआ है. Okay, maximum time is 10 minutes.
सर थर्ड क्वेश्चन में नंबर ऑफ सम ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी मोड मीन कुछ नहीं होगा, मतलब दिया नहीं गया है कुछ भी.
किसमें?
क्वेश्चन नंबर 3.
Okay, one data is missing.
हेलो सर. सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में जो 4/11 दिया हुआ है सर, वो क्या है सर?
वो वैल्यू दिया हुआ है, उसमें से यू हैव टू फाइंड द मोड.
ओके सर.
Just a minute. I will give the.
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 समझ में नहीं आ रहा है सर. 4/11 क्या है सर? मतलब एक्स वेरिएबल 4 है और 11 है फ्री फ्रीक्वेंसी.
नहीं, यहाँ पे मैं मतलब आंसर बताने के लिए नहीं बैठा हूँ. दिस इज सरप्राइज टेस्ट. डाटा आर गिवन लाइक दिस.
ओके सर.
सर
सर ग्रुप में भेजना है या पर्सनली?
ग्रुप में पोस्ट करना है. ओके, 7 minutes मोर.
सर पूरा आंसर करके भेजना है पूरा.
जी सर, आंसर करके भेजना है.
यस सर.
तो जहाँ पे सॉल्व कर रहे हो वहाँ पे अपना नाम भी मेंशन कर सकते हो इन बिटवीन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2, 3.
सर आपने एन तो नहीं दिया है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में. एन इक्वल टू कितना है?
क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में n कितना होगा यहाँ पे?
वो तो देना पड़ेगा ना सर.
वो क्यों देना पड़ेगा?
सर क्वेश्चन में तो आपने तो दिया था पिछले. ठीक है.
तुम डाटा पूछ रहे हो, क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ रहे हो.
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में 2 वेरिएबल.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में ये जो y है यहाँ पे फ्रीक्वेंसी होगा ना?
सब कुछ क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिया जाएगा.
नहीं सर, पर आपने यहाँ पे y लिखा है, ये f होगा.
ठीक है. So let's check who have submitted this one. Till date, no one is submitted. 5 minutes more.
Sir, these are written 4 by 11, 6 by 11 like this.
Yes, yes, these are the values.
Yes,
From
sir.
that value, you identify the mode. Rakesh Maharana, have you finished?
No, sir. Solving, sir.
Sakshi Agarwal,
Solving, sir.
Sangram Kesari Sahu,
सॉल्विंग सर.
जल्दी सॉल्व करो, फ्लाइट छूट जाएगा नहीं तो. प्रीति नेपाली,
Yes, sir. Solving, sir.
for 5 marks you are talking around 15 minutes and more than that. Pooja Malik, Rosaline Patnaik.
यस सर, मैंने सबमिट कर दिया है.
Okay, only 4 people have submitted, or you are submitted. Okay. In the bottom you just write your name. Chitra Patnaik, don't get.
पेपर में लिखा है रोजालिन पटनायक.
Okay, fine. Last 4 minutes. 4 minutes more. Sanjeev Iswal, Samit Padi, Rudra Das, Priyanka Nanda,
Yes, sir. Solving, sir.
Raja Mahaling, Pritish Raut.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, we are not added in the group, sir.
You are not in add in the group.
Sir.
So directly send to my WhatsApp number. I will give you my WhatsApp number. Just check in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
Already sent.
Yes, sir. I got it, sir.
Okay, Pratyasha has already submitted this one. Shakti Prasad is already submitted. Fine. Okay, time is off.
Sir, I have also sent, sir.
You sent already? Oh, okay.
Sir, 5 minutes more, please.
Why 5 minutes is given to you?
Sir, please, sir.
Please, sorry बोल के.
हेलो सर. हेलो.
Yes, yes, yes.
सर नेट चल रहा है नहीं मेरा.
डेट नहीं चला, क्वेश्चन लिख चुके हैं तो?
नहीं सर, आधा लिखा था मैंने, अभी आया मेरा।
तो देख लो, अभी लॉगिन कर लो, लॉगिन करके सॉल्व करो।
ओके सर।
ये आपने सच में सरप्राइज कर दिया सर।
वो सरप्राइज होता है, ठीक है। If people are never practice those who are whatever we solve in case of online, it's clear. Try to practice more numericals, as I told in the first class and repeatedly told in many sessions. This particular subject belongs to numericals. You have to go for more amount of practice. ओके फाइन, जिसका हुआ है ना अभी बंद कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है। रेस्पॉन्स आई जस्ट क्लोज द रेस्पॉन्स एंड दोज हु हैव सॉल्व्ड दैट इज 2 क्वेश्चंस, he or she must be awarded with 5 marks. Is it clear? Is it clear to all of you?
सर फिर से बोलिए।
Only 2 question 5 mark.
Yes, this is surprise from my side. Clear?
Okay sir.
Okay, don't worry. The thing is that if you go to calculation of standard deviation, the formula
already sent.
Okay, fine. Those who have solved, fine. Okay. The thing is that okay, fine. If you go to yes, if you go to solve this one, especially reference to mode. What is the value of mode here? Anyone?
8/11.
8/11. It is the data are given in case of individual variables. Few people are asked, sir, why x is not given here? Why 4/11? That x, that 4 belong to x or 11 belong to 11 belong to y. The data are given 4/11, 6/11, 8/11, 9/11, 12/11. Last one is 8/11. As you go to the theory or literal meaning of mode, that means number of appearance. In case of mode, that should be considered as mode. That means 8/11 is appeared 2 times. And same problem I repeatedly solved 2 times in case of calculating standard deviation. And this question is appear in case of a semester examination. That means square root of 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9. Again, 9 plus 15 divided by n, the square root, that is 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay. In case of frequency, someone is asking, sir, here why the frequency is not given? It is my choice. I'm not writing the frequency in case of f. So that's why I put y. The questions itself define the meaning, find the missing frequency. That means the missing frequency is given in case of your question marks. So you have to identify that particular part. Then next is someone is asking, sir, why n is not given? N is your summation of your frequency. That means summation of frequency means what? Suppose you are giving a, that means a plus that much amount is given your n values. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Okay. So don't worry, that 5 marks credited to your internal marks. Don't worry about this. So let's move to the next part. Clear? जिसका हो गया सही है, जिसका नहीं हुआ है, they try to send after this particular class. Yes.
सर मेरा नेट नहीं चल रहा था, मैं बस 1-2 ही भेज पाया हूँ।
ठीक है, बोल दिया ना, सरप्राइज दिया ना तुम लोगों को। तो if you solve 2 questions, you are awarded with 5 marks. Is it clear? Robin Kumar.
Yes sir.
Yes, रुद्र।
क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करके भेज दिया हूँ, एक और सॉल्विंग हो गया, क्या सेंड कर दूं?
हाँ करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, ठीक है। Moving to the next part, just focus on these particular things. Clear? We are the last part of your rank correlations. Okay, but this particular method is known as Spearman rank correlation, or that is known as Spearman coefficient method. So this method was introduced by British psychologist Charles Edward Spearman during 1904. And this method is developed over Carl Pearson method of correlation. On the point, there are 2 points to be considered over your Carl Pearson method. It does not need the quantitative expression of data. And second part is, it does not assume that the population, that means the series under study is normally distributed, whether it should be individual series, whether it should be discrete series, or whether it should be continuous series. So moving to the next part, if you go to the Spearman coefficient method, under this method, correlation is measured on the basis of rank. I repeat, in this method, the correlations is measured on the basis of rank. Suppose you have X variable, we have Y variable, and the different data is for the ascending or descending order. You have to arrange or given a particular rank. Yes. Yes.
Sir, I have doubt with the correlation that is R. So whether when we are counting, when we are correlating the value with R, so here there was written 0.008. So how we should consider it as perfect positive it is, but how we will consider it as perfect correlation?
As I told in the last class that the correlation is lie in between positive and negative one.
Yes, sir.
If the value is positive, it is perfectly positive correlations.
Okay.
If the value is negative, it is perfectly negative correlation. That's it. There is no need to go for.
And the other values?
Other, if you find the zero value, that is no
correlation.
There is no correlation.
So like the very low degree correlation, high degree correlation.
You can tell the value. You can tell the value. I will tell the exact relation of correlations.
Yes, sir. So like 0.71.
0.7 is positive correlations.
Okay, sir.
Don't worry. Don't go for any kind of deeply on that particular thing. You have to memorize three things. If it is positive, it is perfectly positive correlation. If it is negative, it is perfectly negative correlation.
Okay.
If you find the zero value, that is no correlation.
No correlation. Okay. Okay.
Moving to the next one. So under this method, I repeat, the correlation is measured on the basis of rank. Then, as I told, in case of X variables, so we have some fluctuating numbers are there or digits are there. You have to directly provide some ranks. Whenever you're calculating the coefficient method, especially belong to Spearman coefficient. And for this method, the value of two variables are first converted into rank, particular order to this deficit edge under. So where in this case, particularly X variable and Y variables are given, and according to this method, you have to provide them a particular range. So here the formula, just note down the formula. If you note down the first one as well as second one. I just read the after the rank is assigned to the value of both variable, whether it should be X variable or Y variable. You need not to write the theories, only write in the formula and their notations. I repeat, need not to write the theories, just write down the formulas and their notations.
So please make it a full screen.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. So after rank is assigned to the both variables under two columns, that is Rx and Ry, and Rx belong to X variables, and Ry, that is the rank of Y variables. Then square of the difference between two corresponding ranks are found out under the next column, that is Rx minus Ry whole square, or that is the deviation between different rank belong to X and Y variables. Then after you go for the square of your deviations, that is totally calculated, and following formula is given. That is Rs is equal to, or your Spearman coefficient is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation of d square plus 1 by 12 m1 q minus m1 plus 1 by 12 m2 q minus m2 plus 1 by 12 mq minus m3, and if you whole divided by your nq minus n. So here Rs stand for Spearman rank coefficient correlation, and summation of d stand for sum of square of the difference between corresponding rank of two variables, and n stand for number of pair, or you consider it is number of observations. M1 stand for the number of items which assigned with the first repeated rank, and M2 is the number of items which assigned to be the second repeated rank. And the last one is M3 stand for the number of items which assigned to the third repeated rank. But if you go for the customization or no rank, the formula should be Rs, that is the Spearman rank coefficient equals to 1 minus 6 into summation of t square divided by nq minus n. So most of the question will be appear in basically in case of your second formula. Is it finished? If you finish, drop a text on chat box that I will proceed to the next slide and solving at least two numericals. Okay, fine. Moving to the next one. So from the following, find the Spearman rank correlation and comment on the results. Here roll number are given 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. And marking in marketing management, someone is getting 60, 56, 25, 90, 35, 14, 52, 27, 54 and 72. In case of your marks in operation management, that is 42, 34, 56, 35, 40, 50, 45, 60, 58 and last one 36. Just note down the data, then we'll proceed to calculate the Spearman coefficient rank method. Is it finished? Right. Thank you. ठीक है जस्ट अ मिनट को फाइल का को बस पचार मो पाखे माने पचारि आस खाली एनर फंक्शन रो कोडा सर टिके क्लास 10 मिनट Have you finished? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सारे लोग एक्चुअली सरप्राइज हो चुके हैं कि सर कैसे मार्किंग कर रहे हैं 6 तारीख को बोले थे आज कैसे ले लिया
Yes, sir.
Don't worry about it. As I told in the first class that I will not eliminate your marks. Clear? The thing is that I will access your marks. But the thing is, you people are try to understand the concept of decision science. As I told in the induction class, when in the day one, that in case of your real-time applications, this decision science is vastly used. Clear? So that is why I am telling you, you must explore or excel those applications in case of real world. For example, in case of calculating your measurement of dispersion or measurement of your central tendency, these are vastly used in case of your day-to-day life. In case of data, in case of population study, in case of making a particular pricing strategies. Clear? So that is from my point of view. Don't worry about marks. Clear? So have we finished? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then after directly go to make this type of tables. Mark in marketing, clear, and mark in operation is there. So this mark in marketing belong to X variables, and the mark of operation that is belong to Y variable. I just write here. This one is X, and that one is Y. Okay. As for the given method, especially reference to Spearman's rank correlations, you have to provide a particular rank. Clear? Whether it should be ascending order, whether it should be descending order. In that case, sorry, just a minute. Just minimize those things. Okay. So which one is lower in case of X variables?
14.
14, sir. 14.
14. X variable 14. Where is 14? Just this one, na? Okay, this one is 14. So I write here 1. The next one is how much?
27, sir.
25.
25. Sorry, 25.
25. 25 given rank 2. Clear? Moving to the next one.
27.
27.
27, sir.
Next one.
35.
The next one 4 is 35. Rank given 4 for 35. Again, next one.
52.
52. This is 5. Next one.
54.
54 given 6.
56.
Given 7.
56.
Next.
60.
60 given how much? 8. 72 given
8.
9. And 90 given 10.
10.
Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. Moving to the next one. In case of y, which one is the lowest one? From the given.
6.
35 or 34?
34.
34, sir.
34 given the rank 1 in case of y variable. Moving to the next one.
35.
35 rank 2.
36.
Rank 3. Next one.
40.
40 rank 4. 42.
42.
Rank 5. Next.
45.
45 rank 6. Next.
50, sir.
50 rank 7. Good.
56.
56 ranks 7.
58, sir.
Rank 8, sir.
Oh, sorry, this one is rank 8. Then 58 is rank 9, and the last one is 10. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Then, as per the given theory or method of Carl Pearson method, you have to calculate the deviation from the rank. That means 8 minus 5. How much? 8 minus 5.
3.
7 minus 1.
6.
6. 2 minus 8.
Minus 6.
Minus 6.
Minus 6. The next one is 10 minus 2. 8. 4 minus 4.
0.
1 minus 7.
Minus 6.
5 minus 6.
Minus
Minus
1.
1. 3 minus 10, that is minus 7. 6 minus 9, that is minus 3. Last one is 6. It clear to all? Then
Yes,
after
sir.
the given formula, you have to directly go to calculation of square of d. That means for first row, that is 9. Next one is 36. Again, the next one is 36. Again, next one is 64. Next one is 0. Next one is 36. Next one is 1. Then the next one is 49. You just write your own, huh? Next one is 9. And the last one is 36. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So calculation of sum of d square.
So 276.
276, sir.
276. Is it clear? So what is the value of n here?
So it's 256.
256.
276.
276.
276. 276.
276. What is the value of n here?
10, sir.
10.
10.
Just
10.
calculate the Carl Pearson reference to rank correlation. That is 1 minus 6 into 276 divided by 10q minus 10. Calculate that one. What is the value of RS?
.67.
So 0.67 belong to which type of correlation?
Sir, it's minus 0.67.
Yes, sir. Minus
Exactly. If you calculate that one, that is 6 into 276 divided by sorry, 1 minus, if you go to first part, 1 minus 1656 divided by 900. Is it clear? So 990. 1
Yes, sir.
minus 1 minus 1656 divided by 990. If you 1, that is 1 minus 1.67. That equals to minus 0.67. Is it clear? So just write here the answer is minus 0.67. Sorry, 67. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's all from my side for today class, because I have to go for another class. It is a continuous schedule is there. In the PPT, I will send the one assignment for today class belong to Spearman rank correlations. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt you can ask regarding surprise test?
It is which type of a correlation, sir?
It is negative, perfectly negative correlations.
Okay, sir.
Okay.